Well, hello there. In this video, we are going to learn ROBOCOPY. You ready? Let's do it. So Microsoft Windows File Replication Command, it's known as Robust File Copy, or simply called ROBOCOPY, see? So it uses the concept of timestamp and date stamp for incomplete file transfers, and that helps in tolerating network interruptions. So it knows where to start from using that recovery record, having the date timestamp information. Right, makes sense. But ROBOCOPY eliminates the chance of failure as it skips NTFS junction points, as NTFS happens to cause infinite loops. ROBOCOPY replaces all other copy commands with multiple exceptional features. So the concept used in ROBOCOPY to copy multiple files simultaneously is multi-threading. The usage of multi-threading makes it much faster than standard copy and also Xcopy. But here's the basic syntax. ROBOCOPY, source, destination, file, and some options. So here are some of the features, right? You can pre-specify what to do with conflicting file names. You can exclude some files or folders. You can schedule a copy and paste operation. You can mirror one folder to another, deleting files in the destination that don't exist in the source folder. And here are a few copy options available in ROBOCOPY. ROBOCOPY source destination /E. And here the /E is used to copy subdirectories and folders along with files. Now, why should anybody know this? Well, you can actually write a ROBOCOPY script to synchronize folders, and you can make backups much faster and more secure. So it helps to transfer files over servers and a whole lot more. Once you start playing around, you'll start to figure that part out, because you can make it up as you go along. The possibilities are endless. And guess what? Now you know all there needs to be learned about ROBOCOPY. You got to go play around with it yourself. But for now, we're going to wrap it up, and I'll see you in the next video.